Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're on the job again. It's Tuesday. Didn't work yesterday. We're on another slab with Lawrence and the boys. Let's go and see what we can happen. Get happening. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Concrete Ninja. We're doing a house slab. We'll see what we can get done today. I'm not sure, like I'm usual, like I don't know what's going to go on until it starts going. This is real life concrete. I'll see you out there, bye. Far away. We're starting to put some of the footings. It's 6 o'clock. We're allowed to pour at 6 o'clock out here. We're doing waffles. We got steel. Things. Pumps for a blockage already. Damn it. Alright, we got action on today. Another house slab. Alright, 6:30. We got a little bit of flooring. The crews are going to start to put beams in again. Put some beams in, put a bit of flooring, put some beams in, put a bit of flooring. And there you go, waffle pod. Alright, we got 7:24. A bit past halfway now. Cruising along. We started the garage today. We haven't started the garage in a long time. We just start the back of the house these days. But because it might rain later on, I think Lawrence is doing the front first. So it's over and done with. Which is good. That's looking good. Just waiting for a truck, and the trucks are here now. Let's go. Alright. It's 5 minutes to 8 and we're going to go a little bit more to go in. So we should have it in by 8:30. Good time. Tackle, we were out of here by 12 o'clock, 12:30 today. I want to go home and go to bed. I'm a bit tired. I did a bit of taekwondo day last night again. It was good. Only a couple of people there. But, boys already gone around the outside already. Done all the brick footings. Tinny's doing that. Good stuff. We're just waiting for concrete again. As we do. We'll be right, have something to eat. Chill out for a minute. This guy's being loud on the roof up here. A little bit more to go. A while ago, about 8:20 or something we had it in. Just going around the edges and stuff. Just having a rest now. Boys having smoko, everyone's having smoko. We're onto it. Hopefully we're out of here by 12, come on. Okay, it's 9:45. Dill's stripping the job, good man. Me and Lawrence are finishing, all the other boys are stripping as well. Mickey, Justin and Shano, we've broken up to here so far, Lawrence has. I'm going around doing the edges, around the outside, while the boys are stripping. Hopefully we get the slab finished and they're finished as well, at the same time. Should be pretty close. Good times. I'll try to get some action on. It's a bit hot today, so it's a very hot day today, so there's not much I can actually film. Leave the camera out too much, it just overheat and pass out on me, so just a bit like me. I reckon there's rain coming later on, but we've got to try to beat the rain. We're going to be out of here by then. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying your day, or your night, or your morning, or your afternoon. Alright, it's 11 and I'm fucked up. My arm's very sore. Look at it. Can't see it, but see, I can't actually straighten it out. That's as straight as my arm will go. Just won't straighten out. Oh, this one, look. See, dead straight. Big crowd, all this section up here now. Up to them pipes. We're just going to do that back bit. And strip. It's about 11:15, so we've got another hour and a half, 12 o'clock. Let's go. Alright guys, that's the job over for today. Sorry I didn't get much. My phone got overheated, so I couldn't really film much at the end. We just packed everything up. It's only about 12 o'clock, which is good, because I'm going to go home and have a rest. And I got a job with Simon and the boys tomorrow, so we'll have another video then. I'll put a little bit of my taekwondo session that I had yesterday at the end, just to make the video a little bit longer. And some of you guys are interested in watching it, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Get here and just push them away.
You're trying to stab it out. You're trying to stab out the curve a bit. That's a bit more aggressive. Except for the push kick. Push kick, you are just trying to push them back.
Yeah.
You're trying to literally just like punch them, bend them over. Just come across a bit more. You'll find the right time. Unfortunately. It's alright. Use your knee. Yeah.
So this one you're going to pull towards your hamstring when you hit your kick. Like,
Alright.
so you've got to go this. And you pull it forward this way.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I wish I was that flexible.
Yeah, it's the opposite there.
Yeah.
It's the opposite to when you're snapping it out, you're snapping it back in towards it.
Yeah, right.
That's a good point, yeah.
But it's not like a bring down, it's actually just
Oh, that's a different one. I'll show you.
Yeah.
so it's
So this is new
Alright,
school.
okay.
What here? This is young.
Yeah.
And this is old school. Like this.
yeah, so that's what I was just doing before. It's just bringing it down itself, not
I'm not saying any of them are wrong.
Yeah,
It's
just
like
different
more of
techniques.
this is speedy. This is like, I see a big opening there, I'm just going to step on their face hard.
That's right.
The heel.
Yeah, the short. This one's for a short when you're real close.
But you could do that literally like that almost straight shot. Yeah. I mean,
The big old school one.
you're giving yourself the room by bringing your knee up to snap it out.
Yeah, it's an inside pregnant actually. What you do with this one, right? So what you would do is it's like your knees going up. You're going across like that. But and when you're doing that, you do a front kick. And you do it right. I'll do it that way. You slap it. You know what I mean? It's like a slap to the face. Yeah. That's all the motion is your knee going across. And with that.
yes, you did, and with the
The side of your foot. Yeah.
Nice hard bones down there, yeah. Oh, good to go. Good to go. So
Oh.
yeah, kick you out a little bit, like snap it out, and then bring it across. Still keep your posture.
Keep it in front of you, mate. It's really easy.
No real pivot here.
Look. It goes out here. And then swing it through. You just stick it
so
out.
you're not even rotating your foot at all, really.
No, just set it on
No, just strung through the base.
like your front kick.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, find the angle. That's what I mean. It's hard to explain the white belt's angle and then bring it across, but
Like that, yeah.
yeah.
It's just like,
Then there's this part as well.
holding the, yeah, that's
the classic.
I can't wait to it.
That's what we do.
That's about it. It's fun, but you got to keep the fun ones away from them sometimes.
Yeah. No, that's not the reason.
One,
I'm going to
two.
get up to like
Yeah. And you get the triple
Have it on
outside, inside.